Geedel Rotary Cheese Grater, versatile and efficient kitchen essential. The Geedel Rotary Cheese Grater is a game changer for effortless food prep, featuring 3 interchangeable stainless steel blades for fine, coarse, and slicing functions. Whether grating cheese, slicing vegetables, or chopping nuts, its ergonomic handle and suction base ensures smooth operation and stability. The BPA-free food-grade materials guarantee safety, while the easy disassembly allows for quick cleaning, dishwasher-safe for added convenience. Perfect for anyone seeking efficiency and precision in the kitchen, this multifunctional Mandoline slicer enhances meal prep with speed and ease.